How to reset a KitchenAid mixer. It's fairly simple to do. Only thing you have to do is just unplug it from the wall and leave it unplugged for a good 30 minutes. That will do a hard reset of it, and plug it back in after 30 minutes and it should start working if you have an issue. If not, make sure, if you're not able to get it on for whatever reason, make sure you didn't trip up the power outlet. So for example, this one's got like a safety button on it, so you might have to push this back in, because a lot of times what will happen is that it'll get tripped up. All right, and then if it's still not working, if that's the reason that you're resetting it, try a different outlet and then see. And it could be that your outlet has tripped up on your circuit board. So go to your home, to the circuit panel, the metal panel board in your home, and see if there's anything that got tripped up, and then switch it back, turn it back on, and then your mixer should start working again. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.